So we have made it to Hollywood Studios. We are heading to Galaxy's Edge. You ready, hon? Let's get there. Okay, here we go. Space traveling all the way to Batu. Off to the Smugglers Run. All right, so we are here on the Smuggler Run. This is so cool, guys. I am excited. Oh, it feels so good in here. It's hot outside. Go to Smugglers Run, it's AC. Oh, this is so awesome.
Delivering exciting cargo throughout the galaxy. Now, I need gunners to defend the shipments, pilots to navigate, and flight engineers.
Oh, this is awesome, guys.
Starships in the quadrant. Well, the fastest ships. Okay, the ships that I could get. Like the one you saw up front.
Ooh, we get to fly the Millennium Falcon, guys. This is gonna be awesome. Here we go. We gotta go get up here to get on it. There we go, guys. Getting into the Millennium Falcon. We are here. So awesome. Oh, this is so cool. Alright, I'll see you in the cockpit. This is so awesome.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They will talk to us. Take evasive action. Let's get out. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Just got off Smugglers Run. I give it a 4 out of 5. It was a great ride. It was super fun. Off to the next one. Going inside of doc-ondars. This way. Stars. Some pretty cool jewelry. All the different cool helmets up on the wall that he has collected over the years with doc-ondars. There's the Mandalorian, some of the guns. Pretty cool little place. Inside of doc-ondars, pretty cool little trading post type place to get your lightsabers and all your other cool stuff. Get all the heads.
that silver line for me, okay? Thank you.
Can I see Palpatine?
Of course.
Or check out Palpatine. And how much is the Palpatine one?
It's gonna be 160.
160.
And you're gonna slide that piece up there to make nice.
I like it. Darth Vader. Can I try out Vader's? You like that one better? It's more movie. Here we go, a life-size X-Wing. Freaking awesome. You see what you're like fogging from fueling? Pretty awesome. I like it. Galaxy's Edge is awesome. Glad we came. Injustice. Power and Control. Elemental. And then Protection. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the dark side. Yeah. The dark side.
The dark side, yes.
Yes. Okay. 45 minutes. There we go. There's the DJ. So cool. Alright, thank you. Oh, we got the bar space. There's DJ R3X. Oh, Havana areas. Alright, when we order our stuff, I'll come back. So she ordered the Cliff Dweller. What do you think of it?
It's really good. It's pineapple-y.
Non-alcoholic, so if you want to bring your kids in, they can have that. That's pretty cool. I ordered this guy right here. We'll show you that when it comes out.
Covers 4 beers today, Ghost Water Lager, White Wamba Ale, Gamorrean Ale, and the Bad Motivator IPA there. Lightest to heaviest for you.
Alright, thank you.
Enjoy, your sampler will be out shortly.
Okay. Alright, so here's the smoked meats and cheese that we got. Again, here's the beer. So far, I've tried 3 out of the 4. They are tasty. So what do you think of Oga so far, hon?
It's cool. Nice atmosphere.
Nice and
You
cool?
feel like you're in there in the Star Wars.
Okay. I really think it's awesome. Here's some pretty good angles of the walker shooting at me. Pretty freaking cool. You're not allowed to record on Star Tours because it is 3D, so no footage of that, sorry guys. Pretty cool little stage right here with some air mesh. Alright, entering Star Tours. Decided, it looks like it got some new update to it. I haven't rode this since '99, so I'm so excited. Or, I can't remember. Right, here we go. Into Star Tours. I'm excited. Alright, so I rate Star Tours a 4 out of 5 for theme park rides. That ride is freaking awesome. I love it. I'm probably about to get on it again because it was a straight walk on. Alright guys, look at this life-size land racer. This is awesome. Our land speeder, I can't remember exactly what it's called. This is completely awesome. It makes noises and everything. Look at the this rock formation they have around Galaxy's Edge is just so beautiful. It actually makes you feel like you're on a different planet. That's so cool. This is the different flavors. We're gonna go with the mix. What do you think? Are you excited about trying it?
Yeah. Sweet chili, that's gonna be different.
Sweet chili. And blueberry.
Lemon and lime.
With lemon and lime.
It's gonna be a weird mixture.
A little mixture.
Let's try it.
Alright, we'll come back when we got it. Alright, so we're gonna try the outpost mix of the popcorn. It's chili, blueberry, lemon, and lime. So let's get a little bit of both. Oh, we'll get another purple. There we go, got 2 of each. Strangely, it's actually really good. It's like a sweet, salty, not really spicy at all. It's really good. Let's see. All right, this is the double check. Yeah. They're cooking some meat. All right, so we're here at Docking Bay 7. They're closed, but this popcorn is a must try. And here's my favorite shop. It's the First Orders Outpost. They got some pretty cool toys. They got a walker. They're at A7. Some cool little things. Got some cool merch. There's the bag that I got earlier.
Oh my gosh, that's sick.
So freaking awesome. This is the little ship that they got. Handcuffs. Some crazy props. And then you can order this for yourself. It's custom made. I do not know how much, but way too much. And then here are the pins that they have. They're pretty cool. They got a flag. And of course, order outfit. Some merch. But the cool part is Kylo Ren's ship right here. This is so awesome. Every so often he'll come out, walk down that walkway. Some stormtroopers will be with him. And it also makes noises like all the other ones do. Really cool, detailed, and size of the model. Super cool. And then a big old giant First Order flag. And then here we go again, the outpost. So beautiful. All right, we're gonna get some of the Bantha milk. There's the blue and the green. Which one should we try, sweetheart? Or
I don't know.
Should we get one each?
We can get one each.
All right, we're gonna try both of them. Let's do this. This is the pricing. So you can also get a souvenir cup. That's pretty cool. It does show both sides of the different animals. Are you excited, hon, to try it?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna try the blue Bantha milk and the green milk. So let's try it. That's pretty good. It's different. It's sweet. It's more like a milkshake to me. It's like a slushy type.
Slushy milkshake.
A slushy milkshake. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's really good. All right, I'm gonna try this one's not too bad. The green one's good. Let's try the blue one.
like a lemony
Yeah, I would say
kind of
that.
taste. I don't know how to explain that one.
Sweet tarts.
Sweet tarts.
Yeah, the blue one tastes like sweet tarts. That one's like a lemony lime. Not even lime.
Yeah, lemony. Well, lemony.
A lemony flavor. I'd
Not
say 3 out of 5.
Yeah.
You agree?
Yeah.
All right, now we're actually going to the Millennium Falcon. All right, so we are standing in front of the most famous hunk of junk. Let's take a view. So we're gonna end the vlog here today. The weather did it to us again. It ended our day not really short. We've been going since 7 this morning, 7 at night. So we've been going hard for 12 hours here at Hollywood Studios. What do you think, hon? Of Hollywood Studios.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah, it was fun.
You like to come back?
Yeah, I like the Star Wars area. It's pretty cool.
You like the Star Wars area?
Very detailed.
Very detailed. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure.